How to crop video on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to crop a video on your iPhone. Cropping means removing parts of the video that you don't want, which can help you focus on the important sections or change the video's shape. This process is easy and can enhance the appearance of your videos. To begin, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Scroll through your library to find the video you want to crop. Once you find it, tap on the video to open it in full screen, allowing you to review it before making any edits. Now, with the video open, look for the edit button at the bottom of the screen and tap on it to enter edit mode. In the bottom right corner, you'll see the crop tool and tap on it. Now, you can adjust the frame by dragging its edges inward or outward for both horizontal and vertical cropping. Adjust the frame until you are satisfied with what is visible. If you make a mistake or want to revert a change, tap the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. From there, select Undo Crop to revert that specific change. If you change your mind again, you can choose Redo from the same menu. For a fresh start, after making multiple edits, tap Reset to remove all edits and return your video to its original state. Once you are happy with the cropped video, save your changes by tapping the Done button in the top right corner, and your cropped video is now saved and ready for sharing or further editing. And that's it. A simple and effective way to crop videos using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.